Hello there. We asked Dr. Chinnu Prince about her Plab 1 experience. Stay with me to see what she had to say. Her exam was on May 2022, and she subscribed to our 3-month plan. We asked her how helpful was MedRevisions for her Plab 1 exam. She said, "Very happy to have a well-written study and revision notes highlighting the important points. The mocks are set in an appropriate difficulty level, which prepares you for better time management aligned to the real exam." We also asked her how did she use MedRevisions to prepare for the Plab 1 exam. She said, "I used to do the questions first to test my knowledge and then learn the notes given with the question. Attempted the mocks, which I felt is aligned with the real exam." She was also kind enough to share her results with us. This is her results. You can check out more verified reviews from the link in the description. MedRevisions has helped thousands of doctors pass their Plab 1 exams on their first attempt. Subscribe now to the largest question bank for Plab 1 exam and pass your Plab exam with ease. We have several plans suited for you. All our plans include more than 4,400 exam-style questions with updated explanations and notes that align with the relevant guidelines. Moreover, you will also get access to our revision notes for free. We have highlighted the high yield points and added several medical clinchers to help you with your preparation. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or concerns. We are here to help you throughout your Plab 1 journey.